Hey, this is Dave from housebarons.com. Today we're going to show you how to hook up a Mr. Heater 30 to 60,000 BTU propane forced air heater. Today it's 19 degrees right now, and it's time for us to have some heat. You can pick these up at all the big box stores and online. They're about 125, 150 bucks for this size. Should be pretty straightforward to use. On low, on 30,000 BTU setting, it'll last around 14 hours. On the high, it'll last about 7 hours to go through a 20-pound tank. And if you get your tanks at the gas station, they only fill them to 15 pounds, just so you're aware of that. A lot of them do. All right, so it comes with a regulator and a hose. Right, so we got the hose undone, and first we're going to go ahead and put the hose and the regulator into the cylinder. This piece slides a bit, and so we put it in here like so, and then we're going to turn this counterclockwise, which is counterintuitive. And then tighten it appropriately. Okay, tight but not too tight. Now that it's hooked up to the propane tank, we can hook the other side, this little guy, up to the heater itself. On the back of the heater there, that's where we're going to hook it to. Right here. All right. And so that will receive this hose, and this one will probably turn clockwise. And then we'll tighten that up. Okay, it's pretty tight. Right, then we want to go ahead and put the handle on. And the fatter end of the handle is going to go towards the front where the flame comes out. All right, now that we've got it all hooked up, right now we plug it in. Okay, we're letting that, you can hear that fan, we're letting it run for 20 seconds. Okay, just so you can hear, once we plug it in, the fan turns on, and the fan turns on. We leave it for 20 seconds just so if there's any fuel in the connection, it blows that out. First, we're going to start slowly opening up the propane tank. Press this, and it's going to light, and then we're going to hold this for 15 more seconds, even though it's lit. Pros and cons, we had to restart it once because for whatever reason, it was just doing a little tiny flame. But we restarted it the second time, works great. Caleb put his boot real close to the flame here, and it singed the tongue of the boot. So it is hot. It's probably over 400 or 500 degrees right here. Biggest drawback, gotta have an extension cord that runs the fan. So you'll need power for that. It's also for indoor use only, but it still needs to be well ventilated. And this house is so drafty and leaky, it's not a problem here. Overall, it makes a big difference when it's, you can see my breath. It's so cold in here, but having that little bit of heat makes a huge difference. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.